Alright guys, here we go. We're going to check out how to complete the square. Once again, this is knowledge you've learned in previous years, so we're going to go through it fairly quickly. It says here on the right, completing the square, we'll put the standard form of a quadratic equation into vertex form, and that immediately will yield what the vertex is and let you know what the max or minimum is. First of all, first thing I'm going to do, I have to look, I'm going to anticipate and see, okay, I've got a negative value for the coefficient on x squared, so I know it's going to be a parabola that opens downwards like this, so I should have a maximum. So first step is to factor out that negative 3 from the first two terms. Now this is going to have to be a negative 4x. Okay, I'm not going to touch the 15 in order to make sure. I can look and see negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared, and negative 3 times negative 4x is positive 12. Okay, one way to make sure each step is correct is to ensure that you multiply through each time. So, next step is we're going to create a perfect square trinomial. Like I said, a perfect square trinomial. So this next term I'll need to create. Now I want to make sure I get a trinomial that will be of the form x squared plus 4x plus something. Okay, and that something will have to be a special number. So I'm going to 4 divided by 2 and squared, which also happens to be 4. So I'm going to add 4 and I'm going to subtract 4 so that I don't actually change the value of the question. Then, next step is negative 3 x squared plus 4x. I'm going to keep the positive term, okay, and I'm going to take the negative and I'm going to multiply it by the value 3. So anything here in the bracket is multiplied by negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 4 is plus 12, okay, and I'll say that is negative 3 multiplied by negative 4. Perfect. Almost done. Y equals negative 3. This is a perfect square trinomial. It's x plus 2, quantity squared, and 15 and 12 is equal to 27. From this, I know it opens down, thus I have a max value, okay, and the vertex is located at negative 2, positive 27. That's our coordinate. Thank you very much. This graph will be like this, and I know that this value here, like I said, is negative 2, positive 27.